Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your earbuds Sony. When you listen to music or watching a movie, you don't need to use your phone. You can use adjusters on your earbuds, and right here at the back side we have adjusters, and you can play and pause the song, you can play next or previous track, you can call voice assistant or swap ambient sound controls. Also you can customize it, so you can change it. You need to open Sony Sound Connect application. If you add it here, you will see the same menu. You just scroll down, go to device settings, and then go to the system, the top, and right here you have presets for it. So right now, as you can see, I recommended to leave the right one and just change it the left one. Let's say if you don't need ambient sound control, you just swap to volume control and you will increase or lower the volume. The most important is to click done right here at the right bottom to save it. Now let's return to the default one. The next one is that earbuds have ANC, so it means active noise cancellation, and when you're walking somewhere you can enable this mode and it will remove this background sound, or try to remove it. Next, if you met someone, you don't need to remove your earbuds. You can just enable transparency mode. The same right here we have ambient sound control. You just or click in the application or use gesture on the left earbud and you will change it. You can also improve your listening experience by changing Equalizer presets. And right here we have Equalizer. Here's presets was Sony offer for us. Also here's Bass Boost. This is my favorite mode. But also you can create a custom presets. Let me show it for you. So you can create or custom preset, or the best one right here we have find your equalizer, and you can set up equalizer for you. It will create custom to equalizer, so it will change. This is mine. If you don't know how to do this, you can check a video at this channel. We have it. If you have some trouble with your earbuds, you can perform or soft reset. Just put your earbuds to the charging case and then remove it, and it can fix a lot of small trouble. But you can also perform a factory reset. And to perform a factory reset, you just put it to the charging case, and then where it in the charging case, you press and hold at the both of these touch areas until this LED light just turn off. And then you remove it and it will reconnect automatically to your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.